Let's make a 5-minute, very simple but yet beautiful headband. All you will need for this project is a material of your choice, but it should be a stretchy material. And then you also need needle and thread if you'll be sewing by hand, or you can use your sewing machine. You need a measuring tape, pins, and a scissors, and that's it. Let's start. So you're going to measure out 21 to 22 inches of the fabric of your choice. Why you need to use a stretchy material is because we won't be using elastic band for this headband. So with a stretchy material, it will conveniently fit your head. My material is a little bit more than 22 inches, so I went ahead and cut that down off camera. I had to cut it down because my fabric is very stretchy and I don't want it to be very loose on my head when I finish making it. For the width, I'll be using 4.5. I always strongly advise you make the width of your material like 6 or 8 inches and you will really like the outcome. Mine is actually small because this stretchy material is what I have left of this particular material. Later on in this tutorial, I am going to show you the reason why I am strongly suggesting you use 6 or 8 inches wide. But if you like a tiny headband, then go ahead and use 4.5 inches. So right side facing the right side, you're going to fold it into two just like this. Pin it and go ahead and use your sewing machine or sew down by needle and thread. After sewing, this is what it's looking like. You are going to turn the right side out. I'm going to use a safety pin to turn the right side out. Use whatever makes the work easy for you. This is a very simple and also fun project that little ones will be interested in. So if you have little ones around, you should teach them how to make this headband, because I know that by the end of this tutorial you would definitely know how to make this headband because it is so easy. After turning the right side out, make sure that the seam is at the center and then go ahead and give that a good press. So after pressing it, this is what we have. We're going to put the two ends together and then you slide the one on top to start at the center of the second one. You'll be able to feel the center from the seam at the back. Just watch closely. If you don't understand my explanation, you'll understand by watching. So let the first one start at the center of the second one, then you fold the rest of it to the back, just like so. And then you go ahead and take the end of the one at the back and fold it to the one in front, just like this. Now if you're using 6 or 8 inches width, this part will be very easy for you. Go ahead and sew that down by 1/2 inch. After sewing, this is what we have. Cut off the excess material and also the edges. My scissors is dealing with me, so I went off camera and cut it off. After cutting, this is what we have. Go ahead and turn it over. Now if you have 6 to 8 inches, you will definitely see the pop. It's going to pop, but because it is tiny, you won't really see it, especially with the design of this material. It is not really popping out that well. But if you use a 6 to 8 inches width, you would definitely love the outcome. Though I like this one, it's so cute and little. If you love this tutorial and you are not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe and leave your notification bell on so that whenever I upload new tutorial, you'll be notified. So I bet you also like this one. See you.